Vinyl fences look clean and modern, until they don't. Here's how to keep yours looking fresh and functioning better than ever. In this episode of Fence Upgrades, we'll show you how to upgrade your vinyl fence. From boosting privacy and durability to adding serious curb appeal. Start with a deep clean. Power wash or scrub with a vinyl-safe cleaner to remove mold, stains, and chalky buildup. Then apply a UV protectant spray to prevent yellowing and brittleness caused by the sun. For more coverage, install lattice or privacy topper panels. They increase height and add style without replacing your fence. Pair it with tall planters or climbing vines to create a green, private barrier. If your fence is wobbling, reinforce it with post sleeves or concrete collars. Vinyl posts are light, and over time they need support. Cracks? Don't patch them. Replace individual panels or rails using manufacturer-matched parts. Style it up with decorative post caps, from classic pyramid shapes to solar-lit options. Want more color? Use vinyl-safe exterior paint to add accent tones or patterns. Just make sure it's approved for PVC. To recap, clean and protect. Add lattice toppers for privacy. Reinforce loose posts. Replace cracked panels. Customize with post caps and paint. Want your vinyl fence to look and last like new? Visit CAANFenceInc.com or call 781-767-3596 to get expert help or materials today.